Yes, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Crypto and Forex. And in this video, I want to just explain to you why I took this particular trade. Now, we actually took this trade today. We took this trade exactly 12:41 p.m. today, and then this was our end point, and I want to tell us how we took the trade and why we ended this particular way. Now, quickly, just follow me gradually as I take you into the journey and I explain to you why I actually took this trade, and I posted it in my group. You see, this is the group Forex Academy. This is the group, and we make profit. Meanwhile, before then, we actually had this trade in the morning. We took this trade in the morning. We took this trade in the morning also. This was yesterday trade. This particular trade was yesterday trade. This AUD JPY was yesterday trade. Particularly was yesterday trade, while this one was this morning that I gave it this morning. Euro JPY was this morning, and then we make quite some profit. You see, $15 from it. That's 30 something dollars. We make some profit actually. I think the whole of the trade, that's the result for the morning. And then we had this afternoon trade, but I want to explain this afternoon. Why? Because this afternoon trade had some complications. Now, it had some complications which many traders could have fall victim for a continuation trend, and then they begin to sell and then lose from the market. Now, I want to explain this quickly. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and then if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you gain knowledge, practical knowledge. Now, this is not a vague training. This is practical training. I'm showing you how we entered and how we close. Is actually a practical training. Now, quickly, if you notice that our USD card was actually selling. It was selling massively for a long time. Since 2 days back, it had been selling, but all of a sudden there was actually we begin to see in the 15 minutes time frame, we begin to see that there is little candlesticks, and then there is no momentum in the market again. The strength of the market, the momentum of the market is being affected. We lack momentum in the market. That's why you see we began to have short candlestick formation happening up and down. We see that we're having both sell, both buy, retracement, and all kinds of structure being formed in the market of USD card. Now, this specific have shown to us that this selling opportunity is about to be closed. Are we together? The selling opportunity is about to be closed. That's the sellers are tired of selling the market, and then the market have reached a significant level of what of selling. So it now have to what? It have to buy. But now this buy is actually a counter trend buy. It's actually a counter trend buy. That is why I had to stay in the market and then watch it. Now, first thing is that there was actually a crossing above the 50 moving average. Now, this blue moving average is the 50 moving average. Now, the 50 moving average is actually a trend moving average. It's our dynamic area of support and resistance. Now, there was a cross, and then I waited for the cross to be above it. And when I noticed that it was above it, I waited to see the next move, and the next move showed me that it will be what? Bullish. That means for a buy, to go for a buy. So I confirm here, and I look at the structure here. The structure here showed me that it is double bottom. This is a double bottom. This is a double bottom. This is actually a double bottom, showing me rejection of high prices. You see this this candlestick here. See this particular candlestick there is showing me what area of what rejection, high price, low price rejection, showing that there is low price rejection. Look at here too, you see that there is low price rejection. So because of the rejection of low price in the market, I knew that this particular trade now will go for what, a buy. Now look at this. Now this actually form this actually also form divergence. You see divergence. This is a regular divergence. Now when I saw these criteria, I knew that it will go forward for a buy. Now when it was going for a buy and we enter it, what now could have been our area of take profit? I actually made the moving average 200 to be our area of take profit. Now when the trade touches the moving average 200, I already know that I have reached my level of take profit. Why? Because moving average 200 is also a dynamic level of support and resistance. So we need to understand how this trade works. You get it? Because there are times that you might not see a clear demand and supply zone or liquidity zone for you to be able to place your stop loss and your take profit. So you can use this moving average as your area of take profit and stop loss also. So with this now, I hope you have understand this very well. This is actually a quick video just for us to understand why we take this trade, and look at the little profit we had. It's not quite much, $14, and it's not quite much. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video, and also let your family and friends know about legit crypto and forex. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.